Beware the Ides of March. I still remember that line from Julius Caesar. And what is the Ides of March? Ides of March is the middle of March, which is 15th of March. That was the day when it was forecasted that Julius Caesar would be assassinated. This forecast was made by his astrologer while he was still living. So let us look at the Dow and what is likely to happen around the Ides of March. When we last visited this chart, we saw that there was an impulsive fall in 5 waves for wave 1 and there was a 3-wave rise for wave 2. And when we last recorded the video, we had forecasted this fall to go down for wave 3. But the fall did not happen on that day, and in fact there was this impulsive fall and another 3-wave rise. And that has again resulted in a fall. Now, there are certain symmetries in this chart which are absolutely amazing. So what we have labeled this as, this is a wave 2 retracement, and this was a deep retracement of around 78%. Then this the fall which occurred thereafter is the wave 1 of 3, and this was again retraced in 3 waves, 78%. And then another fall has started yesterday, and let us see today what is going to happen. Now if this wave count is right, we have a 1, 2, 1, 2 and another third wave down, which should be starting right now. If that is right, we should have a pretty large fall in the next 2 or 3 days, and this low should be taken out very, very soon. So that is why the Ides of March is absolutely critical, and it will be interesting to see today's and tomorrow's trading in the US markets. The S&P also made a zigzag, or a double zigzag actually, to retrace 78% of the whole rise and is now coming down. It's interesting that Nasdaq in fact made a new high, whereas the S&P and the Dow did not make a new high in this rise. So that is a Dow non-confirmation signal which seems to be important at this time. If you look at the top, which was made in 2000, again we see that the Nasdaq made a later new high, whereas the S&P and the Dow turned down much before them. So the next couple of days or the next week of trading is going to be extremely interesting to watch, and let us see what happens. And finally, our Nifty hourly chart also doesn't look very strong. There was this good decline here. There was this big decline, and then there was a retracement of this decline, and this again came down and seems to be breaking down again for a move to the downside. So all in all, the world markets look very iffy, look very jittery, and as I said, the next 2 or 3 days will be very, very interesting to watch. All the best. Bye bye.